Hey fans, welcome back to Supi Tech. In this video, we'll dive into the essential tools you need to survive and thrive in the wild or during unexpected emergencies. We'll explore versatile gadgets and safety devices that ensure you're always prepared and safe. Whether you love outdoor adventures, prepping, or just value being ready for anything, our guide showcases the top survival gear of 2024 to keep you covered. You might think of dark energy as a space exploration term, but did you know they also make top-notch solar panels? Forget the theoretical science. Let's talk about the dark energy Spectre, one of the most powerful portable power sources out there. Weighing just 252 grams, it delivers up to 18 watts of power. The Spectre uses advanced copper-indium gallium selenide cells, known for their flexibility, allowing the panel to be rolled up and easily attached to a backpack. It works efficiently in temperatures ranging from -29 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius. Keeping track of its performance is simple. Just count the illuminated LEDs. For $293, the Dark Energy Spectre ensures you're never left without power while on the go. Stay charged and ready, no matter where your adventures take you. Introducing the UltraPress T, the world's first titanium filter bottle, perfect for adventurers who need to source water from rivers, purify it, and even boil it over a fire, all in one go. Imagine the convenience. Its advanced purification system eliminates 99.99% of viruses and 99.99% of bacteria, including stubborn ones like hepatitis A, E. coli, and salmonella. But that's not all. It also removes microplastics, pesticides, and heavy metals, ensuring your water is always clean and safe. Need a quick refill? It filters up to 3 liters per minute, with the cartridge lasting an impressive 150 liters. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, it can survive drops onto concrete from heights up to 1.8 meters, so you'll always have a reliable 500 milliliters supply of drinking water on hand. At $200, it's an investment that pays off every time you venture into the great outdoors. Meet the ultimate fire-starting solution that doesn't rely on matches or lighters. This handy keychain, Flint, is a must-have for hikers, climbers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With just a click, Flint uses the solid alloy of flint and steel to ignite a fire from wood, even in wet or cold conditions. Durable and reliable, Flint can withstand over 10,000 strikes and is completely waterproof. It works by adding a small amount of fuel, like gasoline or kerosene, which the matchstick absorbs for optimal ignition. Plus, it comes with a built-in beer bottle opener for extra convenience. Flint is your go-to companion for any wilderness adventure or emergency situation, ensuring you're always ready to start a fire wherever you are. When you're out in the woods, finding higher ground can be crucial for safety and monitoring your surroundings. Naik's outdoor system makes this easy and quick. It packs neatly into a small box and weighs up to 48 pounds depending on the version, ensuring you stay informed without overloading your vehicle. The design is genius. It assembles quickly without tools or the hassle of nuts and bolts. Plus, it's virtually silent thanks to Versa-lock clips that securely connect the poles without noisy metal-on-metal clanking. This stealthy setup lets you react swiftly without drawing unwanted attention. Durability is key too. Made from treated aluminum, the components are tough and resistant to physical damage. Added security features ensure the system stays firmly in place, reducing the risk of any unexpected falls. Planning a trip to the forest or another remote area? Don't forget this compact suitcase to keep your devices charged, from phones to larger gadgets. It features an integrated 30-watt solar panel, providing ample power to keep things running smoothly. You can also boost your energy supply with additional solar panels, wind turbines, or hydro turbines. The generator stores 614 watt-hours of energy and can charge up to 7 devices at once. The LCD screen makes it easy to monitor your charging progress, displaying voltage input and output power, as well as any operational issues. Designed for durability, the creators guarantee the batteries can withstand over 3,500 cycles, retaining about 80% of their capacity. Priced at $595, this rugged gadget is built to endure the toughest conditions while keeping your devices powered up. The flash torch isn't your typical flashlight. It's a powerhouse that can light up your surroundings, start fires, and even melt metal when needed. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool for survival situations. Its impressive capabilities come from its sheer power, boasting an intense brightness of up to 12,000 lumens. This not only ensures ample illumination, but also enables it to ignite wood and melt metal, proving invaluable in emergency scenarios. The flash torch offers 3 settings: low, medium, and high. High power provides 15 minutes of intense light, medium extends to 25 minutes, and low gives you a full 50 minutes of illumination. However, you'll need to recharge it frequently for sustained use. Built tough with military-grade anodized aluminum, this flashlight can withstand harsh conditions. The halogen bulb inside is designed to shine through up to 400 cycles, ensuring reliability when you need it most. In Roman mythology, Diana was revered as the goddess of the hunt and the moon. If you're gearing up for some nighttime hunting of wild boar and roe deer, the TMV-3 thermal imaging monocular is your perfect companion. It can detect targets up to 604 meters away, even in fog, smoke, or complete darkness. With a battery life of 15 hours on a single charge, it remains reliable in freezing temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. The OLED display offers a crisp view with an 800x600 resolution and includes 5 color presets for optimal viewing comfort. Plus, the 32GB micro SD card allows you to store over 20,000 pictures. Early buyers secured the TMV-3 for $1,099, making it a valuable investment for serious hunters. When we're not exploring new trails or fishing in the wild, it's back to the daily grind of work. Storing our camping and outdoor gear in the closet just didn't cut it. So Venk created the Trek series. This collection includes 2 bags and a backpack that are perfect for both rugged mountain trails and professional office environments. All models in the Trek series are fully weather-sealed, capable of withstanding temperatures from -40 to 40 degrees Celsius. You have 2 capacity options. The backpack and large bag hold 20 liters, while the small shoulder bag holds 8 liters. The entire series is lightweight, with the backpack weighing just 850 grams. Here are the prices. The backpack is $185, the large bag is $140, and the small bag is $100.